What up, dude? We got a new vlogger in the house. Driz 650 is gonna roll around with the chest mount today. Get some good footage from the cockpit behind the FZ09. What'd you name it? Didn't name
Fiona.
it? Fiona. There we go.
I'll let the viewers. I'll let the viewers try to figure that one out.
Well, then that voice I just did is a hint. As always, Chanelinked here, Sunday group, hanging out before we go ride, checking out bikes, yada yada. We're gonna hit the hills again. Hopefully nobody's gonna go down today. All right, peace. You're live.
Yeah, baby. I'm ready to ride. All right, got Driz 650 right here. I'm a new and up and coming potential moto vlogger. Thanks to my my buddy here, Chanelinked. Us ogres got to stick together. Oh, this guy's still guessing. I'm good, thank you. We'll do a little tour of the bay action. Yeah, it's all right. We'll still have some fun though. And we're off. Do I do it? I'm going for it. Let's see here. You ever eaten at houses? There we go. Get a little photo up.
In that one turn right there.
You're good, you're good.
Hey, fuck a gimbal, right? Look at this. Fuck a gimbal.
Yeah, you like that, right? You like that? It's like, how come you're not that nimble on the bike, dude?
Get you like a skateboard or something, dude.
I was even worried about taking that U-turn. I was like, yo, if somebody's coming out.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Do you mind if I take a picture of your bikes?
Go ahead, man.
Sweet.
fucking Porsche, dude. I love those.
That was here a couple weeks back.
Old school Porsches are my favorite, too.
It's classic.
Any young dude with money can go buy a fucking showroom Porsche, dude, but something like that is like
Got a little class.
some class to it, dude.
How you guys doing? You mind if I take a picture of this?
Oh, sure, no problem.
Show my wife.
Yeah. Yeah, I put a lot to write to diet. Yeah.
Sorry, I got earplugs. What was that?
9 coats of paint on.
Okay.
They don't care to 9 walkers, but like car.
Yeah, the light's on.
Still recording. You got a 37-minute footage right there.
Oh, do I? So I only got 3?
No, I'm saying it's still recording, surprisingly. And your battery's still 100%, so you can probably keep going.
For how long?
I don't know. I guess until the memory card fills up.
All right.
I've seen those start to show up.
See if I can get this on footage. Yeah, right.
Get that on camera. Beat up everyone on YouTube.
What'd you go with?
Bacon, egg, and cheese.
Okay, a little breakfast action.
Anybody punching? No one's speeding out here today. Not that anyone really does, but
Considering that, it seems like the whole police force is right here.
yeah.
Do a little GoPro car edition.
Hey, that actually might be pretty dope.
I might as well try and do it before I get rid of it.
Oh, the M3?
Yeah.
We could do it. I got 2 cameras. Just get another suction mount and we can...
All right.
It'll be cool to hang out
I'm down.
and do shit like that.
I'm down,
with you,
yeah.
man. Yeah, I hate to say it, but I actually think you're a pretty cool guy.
Yeah.
It
No,
kills me to admit it.
Well, it could be worse. It could be like, oh, like, dude,
Yeah.
this fucking asshole.
Yeah,
da, da,
yeah,
da, da, da. No, I said the same thing to my wife. I'm like, dude, it's weird. I've been antisocial this whole recluse thing, and it started with the bike. But basically, I'm like, yeah, dude. I'm like, I feel bad saying this. Is I told her, I'm like, dude, he's a better friend than the guy at my the best man at my wedding, dude.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, me too, but you know what? Nah, everyone's different strokes, different folks, and so that's why when everyone's talking about, oh, bikes bringing people together, I'm like, well, dude,
true,
that's
man.
hella
It's
true.
true.
It's hella true.
Like, I look at all the people that I know through bikes, and then I try to say, like, where would I meet them had it not been for the bike? And I can't think of the one thing that we have in common with some of these other guys that I would have been like, oh yeah, I would have seen them here, I would have met them here.
Well, sometimes it's hard to take that step forward
Yeah.
and to meet people, but it's like, you got a bike, I got a bike, let's go shredding. Oh, here we go. It's a little GT40. How you doing?
Good.
Nice ride, man.
Oh, thank you.
Do you mind if I take a picture?
Oh, no,
Sweet.
The main reason why I like these is because the hood right here, when they hit like 60, all the air goes in and creates so much downforce in the front. That's when they can really take off. Dope.
The new ones aren't bad looking either.
Yeah. It's cool to see the old school one every now and then. Yeah, $10 says you can't fit in it though.
Yeah.
How's your battery?
Still going. Red light's flashing.
Damn, the battery's still at 100%.
It's like what? An hour and 5?
Yeah, an hour and 11 minutes so far. I'm not gonna scrub through all that today. Oh, fuck. It's gonna take a year to upload that video onto my computer.
Like a brand new bike like that shouldn't be like resting on or doing that. Like oxidation and shit.
Well, you said you live by the coast, right?
Yeah, but it's garage though. Helps a little.
Yeah. I parked one outside.
Really?
I have a dust cover for it.
I like it.
It was on sale for like 15 bucks at Cycle Gear.
You throw like a disc lock or anything on it?
I want to.
You should, man. They pop that bitch in neutral and just wheel it onto a fucking trailer. At least with a disc lock, you know, they gotta like pick the fucking thing up.
It's one more step.
Yeah, exactly.
You alright, bro?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Hey, you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh shit. Yeah, I gotta get home.
Is your bike rideable?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
You're like a fucking spokesman for frame sliders. Same side too. Bank's alright. I'm pretty happy about that. That's fine. Next time just save it and ride it down the hill. Yeah, right? Yeah, just keep going. That'll be fine. Here, she get he went out. That's good though, I got it. That fucking, the switch back up there almost got me, dude. You did too? Yeah. I want to see what happened. Turned out a really shitty spot right here. Yeah, I know, right?